Hi everyone. Now today we'll start the new lesson. In the last class we have completed the previous lesson, that is simple equation. Now today we'll see a new topic, that is lines and angles. It is belongs with the geometry. You know what is the geometry and who is the father of geometry. Geometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the geometrical figures or 2D or 3D figures. Now, who is the father of geometry? The question will arise, who is the father of the geometry? That person is Euclid. Euclid is from the Greek mathematicians. He has given the so many elements and the so many formulas about the geometry. Now today topic is lines and the angles. Now before starting the lines and the angles, we'll see what are the basic points of the geometry and introduction about the geometry. Then what is the application of the geometry in our daily life. Now see, for construction of everything you have to require the geometry, such as construction of bridges, buildings, maybe a pool, maybe stitching the shirts, very different, so many construction figures are there. There you have to will applicable of the geometry now. Now see, today we'll see that before starting this lesson, what is the point, ray and line segment, etc. A point, you know that a sharp the pencil and put the dot on the blackboard, and that is the point. A point has a breadthless. We cannot measure the length and the breadth of that point. Now such a point is called as the main basic point of the geometry. Now next one is the line. We know that if you if you trace the line on the blackboard, it has no end point. We can extend up to infinite. There is no end point. A line has no end point. Such lines are called as the line. You can see that line. You can extend up to infinity, uncountable. That is called as the line. In the next video, I will say what is the symbol of that line. How can you denote? Now come to the next point. Now see, whatever I am saying, that you have to take down the notebook now. Main points here. Now come to the next, line segment. What is the line segment? A line segment has two end point. We cannot extend. That is a border, particular border. Such line is called as the line segment. Remember what is the definition? Practically you have to remember, a line segment has two end point. Such lines are called as the line segment. Now next point is a ray. We know that what is the symbol of the ray. A ray has only one end point. Such a line are called as the ray. Now one arrow mark will be there in the end of that line. Means you can, from there you can extend that down. Now it means that a line has only one end point. Such lines are called as the ray. Clear? Now come to the next. What is an angle? What is an angle? Now see that when the two lines are intersect a common point, they form the angle. They form an angle. From wherever, if the two lines will be intersect, now that is formed an angle. Otherwise, you can say that two lines start from the same point, or two lines are start from the initiated from the same point. Such lines are called as such lines are forming an angle. Already we know that there are so many types of the angles are there. You can say that acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle, right angle, etc. etc. Now so many types of the angles are there. I will not go details about that. Next class we'll see that. Now see, angle, you have to remember what is an angle. Two lines start from the same point is an angle. Clear? Now see that. Next come to the types of the angle. That is the acute angle, obtuse angle, a right angle, a reflex angle, whole angle. You will see what is the acute angle. An angle measure of more than 0 but less than a 90 degree. Such angles are called as the acute angle. Then what is a right angle? An angle exact having the 90 degree. Now such angles are called as the right angle. Then what is the obtuse angle? The angle between, otherwise you can say that the angle more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Such angles are called as the obtuse angle. Clear? Now such angles are called as the obtuse angle. Now next one is the linear pair angle will come there. Now linear pair angle. Clear? Now what is the linear pair angle? Now before that linear pair angle, we will see that what is the complementary angle and supplementary angle. Clear? Now see what is the complementary angle. Now remember, you have to take down that this point. The sum of two angles gives 90 degree is called complementary angle. Clear what I am saying that? Now see that the sum after adding two angles, it gives the 90 degree. The sum of two angles gives 90 degree is called a complementary angles. Clear? Then see that. Now next one is supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. Now same like a complementary angle. The sum of two angles gives 180 degree is called supplementary angle. What is that? The sum of two angles gives 190 degree, not 190, 180 degree. Such angles are called as the supplementary angle. Clear? Now in the next class we will see that remaining part. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.